My name is Tim Sutinen from privacyproshop.com. In this video, I'll show you how to install Session Messenger on Linux Mint the best way, and how to get yourself a Session username. At this time, November of 2023, Linux Mint version 21.2 is the latest stable version of Linux Mint. It's based on Ubuntu 22.04. First, we need to go to deb.oxen.io and follow the instructions there to set up the Oxen repository and install two apps, Session Desktop and Session Electron Wallet. Next, run these commands in your terminal. You can just copy and paste them from the web page. First command downloads the public signing key for the repository. The second command sets up the repository in sources.list, and it needs some modifications for Linux Mint because Mint uses its own nicknames for the different versions rather than adhering to Ubuntu's naming scheme. Linux Mint is called Victoria, whereas Ubuntu 22.04, which it's based on, is called Jammy. The third one reads the contents of the repository. Then install both the Session Desktop and Oxen Electron Wallet using two commands. Or you can combine the two commands into one like this. Once the install completes, both apps should have icons listed when you search for them. Then, let's start Session. Once Session opens up, click on Create Session ID, then click Continue and type a display name. This can be anything. This name is what is shown to the other person you're communicating with. You can change that name at any time by clicking the upper left corner initials. Remember that this name does nothing more than that, just a display name. You cannot be contacted by this name. The name can be anything, minimum of 1 character in length. Click Get Started once you have typed the name, and Session will start and remind you to secure your account by saving the recovery phrase. To send a message in Session, click on the plus sign, click New Message, and type in a Session ONS username or paste a Session ID in the box. If you wish to send a message to me, type Privacy Pro Shop in that box. If you wish to send a message to yourself, click the copy button next to your Session ID and then paste it in the box and click Next. You will notice that Note to Self will show in the conversation list. Now, type something in the message box and click the send button that looks like an arrow pointing up. That's it. Your session is ready, and now you can let people know what your 66-character Session ID is. If you would like to have a human-readable username for Session that others can contact you with, here are the steps. Start the Oxen Wallet app. Click English or whatever language you prefer. Click Next to choose the default settings. Click Create New Wallet. Type a name for the wallet. Type a password if you want, and then click Create Wallet. Make a note of the seed words. Save them in a safe place, as that is the only way you can make changes to the Session ID mapping or ownership of the name. Yes, you can sell Session names, and in the future there will be a marketplace for selling Session usernames. Click Open Wallet, leave the Oxen wallet open, and go to privacyproshop.com with your favorite web browser. Once you're there, click on Add to Cart under Session ONS name. Click View Cart, pay for the purchase with a credit card or major cryptocurrencies. Click Session Name Registration Form link on the following page. If you provided an email address, you will also receive this information in your email. If you didn't provide an email address, be sure to write down the order number and confirmation code and click Continue to Registration. Type the name you want in the desired session name box. Once you move the cursor out of that box, it will do a search for that name. Once you find a username that's available, then switch over to your Oxen wallet and copy the wallet address from there. Paste the address to the wallet address field. Next, open your session and click on the top left corner where you see the initials. Then click on the copy button to copy your session ID. Paste your session ID to the field. Then click Register My Session Name, and your name will be active within a couple of minutes. Now try it. Open Session, click on the plus sign, and type your new name in the box. Click Next, and it should open the Note to Self chat. You can also verify that your purchase is completed by going to oxen.observer and type the name you purchased in the search box and click Search. It will show you the owner's wallet address and the session address mapping. You can also use this tool for searching for available names. That's all she wrote. If you're interested in Session and Lokinet, digital privacy, cryptocurrencies, and other open source software, please check out some of the other videos on this channel. And, as always, have a happy day!